Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Take Words, where I have created a course, Linux course for you. So this is the next class after installation. Someone asked me to put a video for downloading of RHCL Linux. So I have created this video for you, and here we will learn how to register our personal email ID with RHL portal and how to download the operating system here from here. Okay, in the Red Hat portal, we actually we need official ID like any corporate ID, but we can register with our personal ID also. So here for registration of RHL portal, we need to open RHL web page. Okay, right, Red Hat login, and then you can find the first page. Click on open, and after that. Here it will show the login window. Here we have to create a new click on new registration. Okay. Here we have to use the it is asking need to use organization email ID, but we don't have. So here we will use our, our personal email ID. First name I have used here company my channel name. Last name we can put training. Okay, email ID we can use, and phone number we can. Uh, this is personal. I have forwarded this video and first forwarded this video because there is some personal information. So we here we have to select the department. So we will select IT operations here, and the role is system administrator. Okay, and click on personal. We are not using corporate ID. Here we have to select the country, India. After that, put the local address. So I'm just forwarding fast this video because this is a personal information. Uh, okay. Now click on create my account. It is saying the verification email has been sent to this mail ID. Now we will log into this mail ID and click on the verification link to activate our account. Okay. Now verification has been completed, and we have logged in to RHCL Red Hat portal. Now we will try to download the Linux operating system. Click on the download button. After it will land to this page, and here we will uh, click on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, and here it is showing activate subscription, purchase subscription, and renew your subscription. If you have your own subscription, you can click here and activate. Use your key and you can activate. Okay, but we don't have, so we will browse available evaluation now. Okay, this is a renew. If you have any existing license, then you can use it. Otherwise, now we are using our personal email ID for registration, so we will download evaluation version. Click on try it. Here there are multiple options, multiple things we can download freely. We can try it, but for all access, we need to subscribe with that with their cost. So for practice, I think it's not required because we are doing the practice here. So click on start your trial. Now it will again ask to verify your company name, and after that it will land to the download port. Here we have to agree the license agreement. Click on the license agreement and submit it. After submitting, it will land to the downloading portal. It is showing it's done. Your product trial, and here it is showing download in our start. So it will take 10-15 minutes to activate download button. But there is an option we can start download now. After clicking, you can see here. Uh, See here, it's being downloaded. So uh, th this is how to. This is a video for downloading the Red Hat Linux. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you have subscribed my channel to get updated and hit the bell icon. And also, I'm requesting you to please share this video to your colleagues or your someone who need to learn Linux and they want to learn Linux. And also put a comment if you have any suggestion. If you have any questions, you can put in the comment box. I will definitely try to uh, reply you. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. बोलो लो कान में लगाओ तो रिकॉर्डिंग किया हूँ सुनो कैसा है रुको